Just hanging out. Just hanging out. We're going to build this database here. And so the first thing is we'll just create that database. And I don't already have a sales database. So what's the command? Somebody tell me. Create a database.
Create database.
Create database.
Your screen's not on.
Thank you. Create database. Sales. And then to list out my databases, now I have sales, and then change into databases. Now I'm connected, so I'm just going to do that here. Create database sales, and then we listed it out, and then we changed into it. And now I'm going to create employee, and then states, and then cities. And then I'll create sales, and sales is going to reference the other tables, so I'm going to create that last, right? Because I need to, in sales, I'm going to say, you know, it has foreign keys, correct? So I'm going to, when I create like EID and sales, I'll be like references, EID, and employee. And that should be employees, by the way, because you're going to have more than one record. And so I'm going to create table and employees, and then I'm going to have EID, and then my data type and my constraints, and my constraints will be primary key not null, and I'm going to have ename string and constraint not null. Is there anything else, or is that right?
You're connected to PostGres.
Oh, I'm not in the right database. Thank you. So what did I command C into sales? There we go. Now connected to sales. So create table. I'll type it up in this over here so we have it. Create table sales, and we're going to have a EID int primary key not null, and ename string not null. Does it look correct? Is it text? Why is string not null? What's the data type? It's text. That's crazy. Is that what we've used all semester?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what we've used all semester.
Strings are different. Strings Java.
Yeah, and Go. Sweet, so we got that, and now we're going to duplicate this. Boom, boom, and one of them will be, what's the next one? States and cities, states. And one of them will be cities. And states will be ST, and cities will be C. And it's going to be ST name and city name. Boom. Boom. And then the next one we're going to create is sales.
So you're doing all your tables first.
Yeah, I'll create the tables and then populate them. Do I do it the other way sometimes?
I like it better this way. It makes more sense.
Create table. What? I called this sales. That should be employees. And now I need to just list out the details of my tables, and I need to drop table sales. because now I'm going to create sales. So now if I list out the details of my tables, I've got cities, employees, states, details, cities. You have CID, CNAME, detail, employees is EID, ENAME, and detail states is STID and STNAME. So that's all good. Did that make sense what I just did? Cool. And I'm recording. Cool. Next, now I'm going to create sales. And it's going to be sale ID int primary key not null, and sale EID int references employees EID not null. I don't know what order that needs to be in. We'll try it that order. I think it doesn't matter. And I think before I've done int not null references, and then we have CID, and that's going to be an int and references cities CID not null. And then we have STID, that's going to be an int references states STID not null. And then we're going to have amount, that's going to be an int not null. Does that all look good? EID, EID, CID, CID, STID, STID. See if I messed anything up. It's created. See the details. We got them all there. See the details of sales. And we got all those. And here are the foreign keys listed. How many people feel like what I just did, you totally got that? Like, you understand this language now. I'm saying, you know, yo quiero un plati, what's a can? Lata, un quiero un lata. Like, I understand the language a little bit, right? That's cool. I'm glad to see it. All right, so that's just, we'll make this the first video of creating the database.